People everywhere have a deep fondness for music. Lots of those individuals wish they could make music themselves, and many of those people believe they lack the talent to do so.
Introducing Brainbeats, with the goal of creating an accessible and easy-to-use music production platform. Brainbeats is composed of an Electron desktop application and companion React website that leverages your brainwaves, along with AI and machine learning, to help you make and share music with others. Let us introduce the team that made it possible.
Hey everybody, my name's Anthony. I'm the team lead for Brainbeats, and I worked on the generative models and EEG portions of the project.
Hello everyone, I'm Lloyd and I'll be discussing the features I worked on for the desktop application.
Hi everyone, my name is Hung Nguyen and I work mostly on the website for Brainbeats.
Hello everyone, my name is Gabriel and I worked on some of the website and did some DevOps.
Hi, my name is Justin and I worked on the Brainbeats backend. Creating music with Brainbeats starts with the desktop app. You have two options to start making music. If you have your own EEG headset, you can use your very own brainwaves to start creating beats. Otherwise, you can just use the community-made sample library.
You start by selecting which instrument you want your brainwaves to play. Let's now plug in our EEG headset. The desktop app reads the brainwaves from the device and runs a machine learning model to predict one of four emotions you're currently experiencing. We use a one-dimensional convolutional neural network for this process. Then send that emotion along with the instrument you wanted to play over to our Python API. The API uses a variety of AI and machine learning techniques such as recurrent neural networks, autoencoders, and neuroevolution to help create a unique audio sample. In order to realize this AI instrument assistant, we trained 10 different AI models to offer the user a breadth of selection when crafting their songs. To protect user privacy, we do not store any brainwave data locally or any of our servers.
The Python API will send back 5 different audio samples based on the instrument and your emotion. You can select which one to save and then use your newly created samples to start constructing your beat. Since the desktop app is written in Electron, we have access to a variety of web audio technologies that help us realize the digital audio workstation we set out to build. Once you finish creating your beat, you can choose to name it, attach an image, and upload it for others to listen.
Over on the companion React website, you can listen to the beats you or other created. You can also create playlists of beats or search for a particular beat you want to listen to. Not only can you listen to beats, but we also prepare you a Spotify-style list of daily beat recommendations based on beats you previously liked.
Now let's answer some questions about the Brainbeats project. Explain how your group was able to work effectively despite not being able to work in person. We adopted an asynchronous project management structure and had weekly meetings to ensure nobody was being blocked by someone else and make sure progress was still being made. Share a challenge that your team faced during planning and how you overcame it. So when training our AI models, we had an unexpected challenge with chords. We thought chords and notes would be really simple to have our models learn. Turns out that wasn't true, so that required a deeper understanding of how MIDI files are structured in order to overcome it. What motivated you to stay focused on the project, and what was that intrinsic motivation despite COVID and social distancing guidelines? So since it was a student-led project, we all had that intrinsic motivation baked in. We wanted to see this project through to completion, especially since the goal, as we'll explain later, mattered to us a lot. How did you process stakeholder feedback? As mentioned in the previous question, we were our own stakeholders, so that feedback was all on our responsibility. And we had open discussions and an open team culture to encourage that feedback. What was your motivation behind choosing this particular project, and what was the problem that needed solving? So nobody on the team, despite everything you may have seen, has any music training experience or any formal music theory experience. We wanted to create a tool that was accessible for anyone without that music experience to use. We'd like to think we achieved that with Brainbeats. This wraps up our showcase for Brainbeats. We hope you liked the rich set of features we crafted to deliver an AI-powered music creation experience. There was a lot of technical nitty-gritty we couldn't leave in this presentation in order to fit the time limit. As mentioned earlier, the goal of Brainbeats is to allow anyone to create music with your brain as that medium. None of this would have been possible without UCF and additional financial support from Dr. Richard Lineker. If you'd like more information, check out the GitHub link on screen now. Thank you so much for watching.